What is going on, guys? It's Kai here and welcome to a day in the life of a sneaker reseller. In today's video we've got some shoes to ship off, some new shoes coming in, listing up some shoes and much more to do. So I'm going to take you along the way what I am doing as a sneaker reseller. Now first off, we have sold a couple pairs, so I'm not going to skip any time and get straight into doing this. So we do have a lot of miscellaneous stock, as you can see right here and here. Excuse the dog. First sale we got is a Jordan 1 mid-band. These are sold for £20 profit, so we cannot complain. Let's get these packaged up. We have also sold a bunch of these Yeezy 350 Dazzling Blues. We sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one right here. So that'll be 6 pairs we have sold. We're going to bulk ship them. Again, we managed to get 16 pairs of these, making decent profit on each. I think it's between £15 after all the fees. I'll pop up a photo of all the 16 pairs as well. We've been doing well recently, but let's get these shipped off. We're just finalizing the payments and then we might ship these off later. We'll go do the other 2 pairs first, but we might ship these off later. But yeah, this is going to be the bulk ship all within this box. It should cost around £15 to £20 to ship all these. So profit is looking very nice because we've been selling them for around 220 per pair. So happy days. Let's get these shipped off. Right, we're going to go ship off these packages. We've got 2 packages right here next to me. We're going to drive up, ship them off, and we've got some other stuff to do when we're back home. Packages are acquired. We are walking up to the post office now. Rocking the Yeezy slides. However, I am wearing Nike socks with Yeezy slides, but don't tell anyone. Alright guys, we are back home. We shipped off them 2 pairs and we're still awaiting on the finalising the deal of the Yeezy Dazzling Blues for the 6 pairs. But as I said before, we're making good money on them Yeezy 350, so we cannot complain right there. Making an average between £15 and £20 per pair. And it's easy, it's going to a bulk buyer, so we can ship them all to the one person. Now I've got to decide what I'm going to do with the rest of the pairs. Now we got a total of 16 pairs and we have sold 6 right there, so we have got 10 left. Now that is a lot of capital at hold. We bought these for £200 each, so 10 pairs is £2,000 sitting there in money. Now, here's where I think to myself and how I decide whether I'm going to hold or sell these shoes. With this £2,000, if I was to sell these pairs right now, can I reinvest that money and make more money? As to whether can I hold them and make more money from holding them? In my personal opinion, guys, I'm going to quick flip these pairs for around £10 to £20 profit and move on to the next release. Don't get me wrong, it's a great looking colorway, great looking OG Yeezy 350. However, guys, at the end of the day, with that much money capital sitting, I'd rather go into the next release, get 20 pairs of them, quick flip them for £10 to £20 and keep building up my capital from there. Like I said, we already have about 60 to 70 pairs in stock at the moment overall, but I'm also going to keep one for personal. Now, we do have a couple decisions to make. Now, that is whether to sell the Sacai Vapor Waffles. We have 2 pairs of the whites, and resale is looking very nice. I can sell these for over £300, maybe for even £350 to £400. Now, should I hold these or should I sell these? Again, I'm going to sell these. So let's take some time out of our day, get some nice photos, get a nice listing up there, and get selling these pairs. Now, I'm going to give you a quick tip for you people out there who have sold quite a lot before. So you start to gain some clients, you're starting to get a following. If you guys are listing these shoes on StockX, you are doing something wrong. StockX listing may be around £340, but if you've got good photos, a good listing, and you're willing to be a bit more patient, you can list this pair for so much higher and they will sell, guys. For example, if this is £340, I'm not listing out for any less than £360 to £370 because I know at the end of the day, with some patience, some good listing and the service I provide, I will be able to sell these for this. So that's what I'm doing about these. I've got 2 pairs of these to sell. We'll be making some massive profit on that. Next episode, we'll be going on all about the profit we made even from Crep City. And don't get me wrong, guys, we're making good money. We've made over £1,000 on that one event, but we'll get into the exact in the next video. We've also got another big shipment of these coming again soon. However, these are not for me, these are for the Backdoor for my members. If you don't know, within my group in tier 3 subscription, we provide a Backdoor service. So members, even if they couldn't get them on the release with the information we provide, you could buy a pair off retail straight from the group. So it's a win-win there. So they'll be coming in, we'll be shipping them off to some members who have purchased them for retail and we'll ship them off to them. No hassle, easy as you like. Which moves on to our quick interruption of the video, guys. If you guys are looking to start reselling yourself, then my group may be for you. Now I'm going to give you brief details and won't waste your time at all. But we provide you 3 different tiers at 3 different prices to suit your needs as a reseller. Whether you're a beginner and you just want all the information regarding sneaker releases, resale predictions, where to get these from, brick flips and so on, then tier 1 is for you. If you're looking to take it to the next level, you want the monitors, you want to start a random resale, your Xboxes, your PS5s, the GPUs, then tier 2 might be for you. And if you want the full package, you want tier 1 and 2, but also you want NFT calls, guides, help, you want a one-on-one call with myself every single month. Not only that, you'll also get access to KaiKicks Connect, which is a backdoor service like I showed you before. The Yeezy V50s, we are backdooring them for retail for members in the group. So guys, that's a very quick overview. Top link down in the description below if you want to get full features of all the tiers right there for your prices. And if you'd like to join, it'll be all through the website. Anyways, back to the video. What we're going to do next? Well, we've got to list up these shoes. We've got to write up some more guides for the members inside the group. And let's count some profits. Alright guys, we are coming to the end of the day. Let's give a quick recap of what we have done. So we shipped off 2 pairs of shoes. We listed up a couple pairs of shoes. We have checked on the group, updated all the channels to make sure our members are cooking. I've got a couple one-on-one meetings to do after this, which is obviously for the tier 3 members. Not only that, I've also separated all the stock, what I'm going to sell, what I'm going to keep, to move on, keep that cash flow running, and hopefully keep making some more profit. I've viewed all of the releases of the upcoming days. We've got some nice looking restocks, so I cannot wait for them. And we've also been delving a bit into NFTs, picking up a couple, flipping a couple for some more profit, which will be a future video as well. So apart from that guys, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Remember, top link down in the description below for all of the information regarding the group and if you want to join it. Good luck on all the releases. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. We are so close to 5,000 subscribers, so all of the support is appreciated. Apart from that, it's been Kai, and good luck on all the rest of your releases. Any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.